Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. My name's Cellboy. I'm giving you a chance to own a Zippo lighter for £4.99. Yep, you heard me correct. £4.99. They're genuine products. I didn't get them off the back of a lorry. I hope you enjoy this video. It's about a series as well on which I'm going to do on Zippo lighters. And if you live in the UK, Ireland, South Africa or America, you too can take part in this. Unfortunately, due to aviation regulations, I don't think I can ship a lighter, so sorry about that. If you ever watched Only Fools and Horses, a classic TV programme, you'd have understood what I've just said. Okay, £4.99 for a Zippo lighter. You couldn't make this up, but it's available at your local newsagent. Not at Tesco's, not at Sainsbury's, your local newsagent. And this is what you've got to look out for. Said. And this is an official Zippo product. It's part of a series of lighters which are doing every 2 weeks. They promised 7, and they're going to give you a presentation case if you subscribe to them on the internet. The price will increase. This one was £4.99. Next week it's £9.99. Then the third week and thereafter it's going to be £19.99. So get these while you can at £4.99. What do you get? Well, you get a genuine Zippo lighter. The Florentine design launched in 1976. Zippo made in the USA. The company was started in 1932, and as you know, all lighters come with a lifetime guarantee. It is a replica, obviously, but are you going to get a Zippo lighter for £4.99, which is genuine? That's what it looks like. Zippo mark down there and opens like that. I'm not being paid by the company. I haven't even got free subscription. I'm just putting the information out there. There's been TV adverts on most channels about this. £4.99 for Zippo. You also get a guarantee for life, and that says congratulations on your purchase there, and Zippo company on the back. You also get a couple other things. Your Zippo collection series guide, which you get in issue 1. And the guy that invented it was George C. Blaisdell, and they're made in Bradford in Pennsylvania. Welcome to the world of Zippo. The presentation case. The guarantee. And what's coming up. And you're going to get the Leather Celebration of 1951, Salute to Bill Cogan in 1938, Battle Britain 1940, the Moon Landing of 69, and the 80th anniversary in 2012. And those pictures you can see up there. That's not all. You get the classy magazine, and this is the Florentina. It tells you about the design of said lighter, different one each week. Then about the person or the event it's commemorating. A little bit about 1974, what happened, and then goes on to the legends of rock, which have been immortalised by Zippo lighters over the years. And I'll be going into this more in part 2 of this video next week. They've done the Fab Four, the Rolling Stones, for instance, Ozzy Osbourne, The Who, Alice Cooper. Certain stars that did not make it on the Zippo lighter, they did make them but not release them, include The Doors in 1999, Tom Petty and Bob Dylan in 2002 and 2006. And that information you can see there. You also get a wall chart, cam poster, and at this end of this video you're going to see close-ups of the wall chart, and it tells you the history of Zippo lighters, the various ones they've introduced over the years. And this is the wall chart. From the moon landing, which I'll show you on the close-ups, the wartime model, the 200 years celebration of the USA in 1776 through to 1976, and the 80th birthday lighter of 2012. That's what you get for £4.99. Verbal newsagents. I hope you collect the series. It is a genuine Zippo product. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out the still photography on the wall chart and stay lit. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. This lighter is not available in America. It's available in UK, Ireland, Australia, South Africa and New Zealand. Or this series from Zippo. Bit random. Let me know if any other countries have it. But that's what I found out on the English language brochure. What comes next is the Zippo collection book, which I do some still photography, just in case you're still interested to know what you're going to get for your money. Enjoy. Stay lit.